I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder. Giving me love and you are down in the...
I think mas madali nga gumawa ng music po.
At the same time, you and I drink the poison from the same guy. Oh, nothing and knocking it at the same time. You and I drink the poison from the same line. Running from the daylight, running from the daylight. Gusto niyo ba yung
Sa friend ko, walang nag-makeup sa kanya.
May limitations.
You meant smart goals.
Yung pinakamadaling para
Monday vlog.
para at least may pulito natin.
Ano to? Gagawin ko to a week in our life. Gano'n naman. Yes. Monday. We're planning. Director's cut. Yes. The writer. The model. The producer. Yeah, the producer. Weirdos. Dito sa Manila nga kami kasi nalaga. Yes. So, we're going to make what? Director's cut. Kapag kami napili dito sa director's cut, naku, baka araw-araw na kami mag-director's cut. Okay naman, sobra. So, ayun, meron kaming production. So, eto pa pala, wala pa tayong production's name.
Ano palitan? Pwede ba palitan yan?
Pwede mo yung lapag, go. Lapag natin. Diyan muna kayo, ah. Ano yan? Yung para ka mga 90s, 80s. Tapos sumayaw ka ng boogie, no? Chicken. And then,
Shake it up.
sige na, game. Next concept 2. Concept 2 na tayo. Tangin na, 350 na agad. Magpo-4 na. What the freak? Kailangan namin bumalik ng 4, guys. Ay, kids. And it's 350. Tapos ba? Hi, kids! Hi, kids! Hi, kids!
Nga pala siya.
What's up, bagets? Hi, bagets!
Ating bagets. Sinisip ko yung pagkain. Bagnet! Hindi yung bagnet. Yung tinapay. Oo nga, nagugutom ako sa sinasabi niyo. Nag-iisip yung tao dito. Nagugutom niyo. Hi, kids! Ito na naman kami. Hindi pa kami nakaka-uwi. Time check. Wait lang! Video! Nandito kami. Nag-verify na. Dito na ito. Mga hindi gumagana yung national ID. So, Nandito pa rin kami sa BGC. It's already 11 p.m.
Uptown Parade.
We're still here.
With our besties.
Yes.
Yung mga mukha ko dyan.
Scooter na naman kami.
Mag-scooter kami na walang pambayad. Kasi why not? Tara na dito, mag-book na tayo ng movie.
Yung mukha ko dyan.
Baka hinahanap na tayo ng family natin. Hi!
Our friends brought us. Brought or bought? Brought. Brought us. Pwede naman brought. Brought. Dinala kasi ang brought. Ang bought binili. Oh, brought. Same lang sila, guys.
Hindi niya rin naman at dinala niya nga.
Oo. Yan eh.
Pag-Gcash naman kami.
Kayo, mga gabi. Pag-Gcash naman, ang maranasan namin naman, oh. What if? Bayaran na lang natin ng cash, tapos i-Gcash natin. Ano, G? G? Are you guys G? Paano? Paano natin na iuwi yan? Sige na, uwi mo na yan.
Hindi, ikaw na mag-uwi.
Hello?
Tutuin mo ah.
Hello? Tapos babaunin. Eh, paano ka?
Ayan ka,
Sa family members.
Babaunin mo. Ako lang kumakain dito sa atin. Magdalang kami, di ba?
Maubos yun sa bahay.
Magdalang kami.
Go! Go!
Kayong dalawa naman.
Wala nang may maraming sinasabi. Thank you po. Yes.
Pabalik ka din dito ha.
Sa...
Hindi ko din yan, no?
Ayun siya, guys.
Try natin tatlo sa driver.
Kaya mo? Ayusin mo yan.
Kaya ba tayo dito? Di tayo dito.
Hanggang hindi tayo sinasaway ng gwardiya. Paano? Paano pag tatlo tayo?
Go.
Pwede ba pag
At right go.
Oo, sabi ko sa'yo to. Huwag ka na, balik tayo. Atry do. Dali, ayoko na. I-enjoy mo na, dali. Ayan o. Ang galing ah. Hello guys! Woo! Tawanan! One kind of fun! Hi kids! Welcome to my vlog!
You may live 100 years, a lonely soul I fear. It doesn't have to be this way, just listen to me here. May your sweet, sweet smile be your parting shot, never lose control. Trust your friends when you disagree, and watch your friendship grow. Never, never strike when you have a fight. Use your words to solve your woes. Talk to your friends when you disagree and watch your friendship grow. You may live 100 years, a hermit's life I fear. Or you may have lots of friends if you follow this idea. May you kiss or a hug.
Bye for this Monday. Monday vlog pa lang.